Hello YouTube, Trainer Jason X here. We're on the 6th island and we have to complete a mission. We have to help Celio to find his Sapphire. Let's see. Onyx, Dig and Dragon Breath. Another Dig will take Onyx down. I'm afraid that next Pokemon is Golem. Let's not wait to find out. Let's send out Gyarados. Okay, Arcanine cannot touch Golem. Surf. No, it is Machoke. Okay then. Return. And Machoke is down. No, it is not. I thought that it was Dragon Rage anyway. Let's go through here. We are in Ruin Valley. I don't have strength with me, unfortunately. Hitmonlee is on his box. Super duper duper max repel. We go through here. I really should have bought Shade. Strength with me. I go for the Fire Blast. Rhydon has really low special defense. He's down. Next one is Kangaskhan. Okay. Bye bye Kangaskhan. Let's fight this guy. I don't know why I'm still leading with Golem, because I don't know what I'm doing. Let's switch out to Gengar. He goes for the rollout. Oh, he did a lot. Let's go for the Giga Drain, that will do even more. This guy just found us. He has Graveler. I go for the Fire Blast. Graveler is down. Next one is another Graveler. I miss. Oh. Let's switch out to Gengar that has Levitate. It's the same. Next one is Onyx. Bye bye Onyx. I will lead with my Venusaur now. Let's fight this guy. Sleep Powder. Sunny Day, take your time Venusaur. And Solar Beam. Next one is another Machoke. Now you have to go here and use Cut. You have to use Cut here. This is why we have Paras with us. And the door is opening. Now you have to go first. You have to go. No. You have to go here. Now I think here. No, I'm not sure. I think here. Yes, here, and you can find the Sapphire. But this guy steals the Sapphire. So now I have to go to Island 4, I think. I don't remember, not 4, I think 5. Our rival is here again. Yeah, smell you later. Here we are YouTube, we're on Island 5 and we will continue our mission here. No, let's use Max Repel. Yeah, okay. I have already beaten these guys and now I can go on here to the warehouse. You have to go here. Let's find out, let's get this item. It's upgrade. Hello. We're about to beat her. He has Houndour. I go for the Thunderbolt. Houndour is down. Next one is another Houndour. The Houndours are down. No, I don't want to learn Nightmare. I'm a great person. I don't know what she told to me. Let's go here. Let's find out what this item is. It's Pearl. Here. Hello. Now we're about to beat this guy. I lead with my Dragonite. He has Machop. She also has another Machop. And what else? Machop. Now I think you have to go to the second. You have to go here. We have to. No. Anyway, here we are again. You have to walk. You have to walk again, but don't be in a hurry like me. Here. You can get Sludge Bomb. With this guy. He has Hypno. And I think a second Hypno. Okay, whatever you say. We beat him. Now you have to beat her. She has 3 Pokemon. The first one is Mach. I go for the fly. And I miss, of course I do. That's very bad. Oh, what? At least I scored a critical hit. And she used the Hyper Potion. Dragon Claw is not even a 2KO. Yeah, I don't think so. Rock Tomb. Okay, let's use the Hyper Potion. I go for the fly. I miss. No! Let's send out Gyarados. Rock Tomb, yeah, okay. I go for the Dragon Dance. She misses and I go for the Earthquake, but I miss again. I miss again. Another Dragon Dance, at least I don't miss Dragon Dance. Earthquake, I miss. I miss again. Dismill. Yeah, come on. Come on, please. This is so gay. I keep missing all the time. Finally I hit. Now she has Arbok. And her last Pokemon is a Vileplume. Bye bye Vileplume. On the next video we're about to beat the other 2 members of Team Rocket.